OnePlus 6 was launched back in May this year, and it was mainly launched in two color variants, the Midnight Black and the Mirror Black, followed by a Marvel Avengers Infinity War smartphone which was a limited edition, and also in silk white color which was also a limited edition. And now OnePlus has plans to release the red color variant of the OnePlus 6 like it did for the OnePlus 5T. So in this video we are going to talk about the red color OnePlus 6 variant. So straight away let's begin with the video.
Tiny fractures.
So OnePlus has teased the OnePlus 6 Lava Red edition on its Twitter and also on its YouTube handle. In a video teaser on its official Twitter account, OnePlus wrote, "Now initiating C61422. Do you wish to continue?" So you can have a search on Google for C61422 and it is a RGB code for the color dark red. We had a search on the Google and it showed us this, that the C61422 is the color code for the dark red color. And so OnePlus plans to release a lava red edition which is also a dark red color for the OnePlus 6 on July 2. And also on its YouTube handle, OnePlus uploaded two videos. You can see them here. This showed that a person coming in all red environment, and it showed a test tube in which there was red color, and then it showed us July 2. You can see right here. You can see it right here. And the second video also was like that, only a door open and it was all the red environment. So OnePlus is telling us all that a red smartphone is coming, and obviously it is the OnePlus 6. Everyone knows that OnePlus will not release a new smartphone, so that will be the product red color, and it will be released on July 2, which is tomorrow. This video will be live on July 1, and the OnePlus 6 Lava Red color will be released on July 2, and I'm 100% sure that this color will also come to India. So that was pretty much it for this video, and if you like this video, be that cool guy to hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon to get instantly notified about all our latest uploads. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.